The Japanese persimmon is nature's sweet autumn gift. Beneath its bright orange skin lies a soft, jelly-like interior and a balanced flavor. It's both a delicate fruit tree and a well-established presence in traditional and modern cuisines. Let's delve into the biological and cultural origins of this elegant fruit. Botanical origins and classification. The Japanese persimmon's scientific name is Diospyros Kaki, also known as the Oriental persimmon or Kaki persimmon. It belongs to the Ebinaceae family. UC Agriculture and Natural Resources. Although commonly called Japanese, its origin actually traces to China, where it has been cultivated for over 2,000 years. The species was introduced to Japan around the 7th century and later spread to countries like Korea and Western regions. Genetics and cultivar development. Diospyros Kaki is a hexaploid, 2n equals 6x equals 90, which means it has 6 sets of chromosomes. Research shows it likely evolved through polyploidization from diploid ancestors. Species like D. glandulosa and D. oleifera are considered closely related. There are many cultivars, and they are classified based on astringency. Some lose their astringency naturally, others need treatments. Morphology and growth. The Japanese persimmon tree can grow as a small to medium deciduous tree, typically up to 10 meters in cultivation, sometimes more in wild conditions. Leaves are broad, stiff, glossy when mature. The flowers are small, bell-shaped, usually pale yellow or white. Selina wamusi. Fruit is round to slightly flattened, with a thin, smooth skin ranging from yellow-orange to deep red-orange. Depending on the cultivar, some persimmons are astringent until fully soft, others, like fuyu, are non-astringent and can be eaten while firm. Cultivation and agricultural spread. Major producers of D. Kaki include China, Japan, Korea, but it's also grown in other countries like the US, California, Florida, and Europe. UC Agriculture and Natural Resources. It thrives in temperate to warm climates, tolerating heat, but needs well-drained soil and sunlight. Botanics. Some commercial varieties, like the Sharon fruit, e.g., Triumph, are treated with carbon dioxide to remove astringency before market. Nutritional value and health benefits. Japanese persimmons are nutrient-dense. One typical fruit, approximately 168 grams, can have approximately 118 kilocalories, approximately 31 grams of carbs, approximately 6 grams fiber, and a good dose of vitamin A, C, potassium, manganese. Healthline. Fiber in persimmons supports digestion and gut motility. They are rich in antioxidants, beta-carotene, flavonoids, and other phytonutrients help protect cells and may reduce cancer risk. Because of their carotenoids, they're good for eye health and immune function. Culinary uses. Eaten fresh, non-astringent varieties, like fuyu, can be eaten like an apple. Astringent ones, like hachiya, are best when very soft. Dried. Persimmons are often air-dried, sometimes tied to a string, producing a sweet, chewy treat. Processed, can be turned into vinegar, jams, puddings, baked desserts, jellies, etc. Leaves. In some Japanese regions, persimmon leaves are used to wrap sushi. Wood. The wood of D. Kaki is used in furniture making or craftsmanship. Selina wamusi. Cultural significance. In East Asia, persimmon, Kaki, is deeply rooted in tradition, festivals, and cuisine. In Japan, dried persimmons, hoshigaki, are a beloved autumn-winter delicacy. In horticulture, Kaki trees are prized both for their fruits and their ornamental beauty, especially when fruit remains on the bare branches in fall. Safety and considerations. Unripe persimmons contain tannins, like shabuol, which can polymerize in the stomach and cause a foodball, phytobazor, if ingested in large quantities. Astringent varieties should only be eaten when fully ripe and soft, otherwise, their astringency can make them unpleasant and potentially problematic. People who eat a lot of persimmon should be aware of this risk and consume ripe fruit or processed forms.